Let me show you this beautiful old bridge. This actually carries a water pipe from a reservoir across it. I think it takes it to Leeds, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong there. It's lovely anyway. You can walk across it. So when we come back, we'll be over the other side on the other footpath. Providing I make it that far, if my knees don't give out. There's a couple of ducks, well, quite a few ducks down there. More ducks. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's carry on.